Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're giving this interesting geometry problem for Math Olympiad. We have a right triangle with an inscribed circle. In this video, our goal is to solve for the area of the triangle. So let's get started. Let us recall this awesome theorem when we have a circle and we have two tangent lines in this form. Then let us take note of this length here, that if this length is A, then this length here is also A. So this implies here that the length of this is 30 and the length of this part here is 20. Cool. Now, let's assume that this is the center of the circle and the line that runs from the center of that circle to any point on the circumference is the radius, right? So this line here is also the radius. And here, don't forget that we also have this line here as the radius. So you can see that this length is R, this length here is R, this is R, this is R, and this is R. Okay? So let's say this is A, then this is B, and this is C. So you can see that the length of A, B, is equal to 20 plus R, right? Then the length of BC is equal to R plus 30, which is same as 30 plus R. And the length of AC is equal to 20 plus 30, which is equal to 50. Then we're going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Remember, our goal is to solve for the area of the triangle. Now, if you use the Pythagoras theorem here, you will observe that the length AB squared plus the length BC squared will be equal to the length AC squared. Now let us make the following necessary substitutions. So here AB, which is R plus 20, and this is squared, plus BC, which is R plus 30, and this is squared. So this is equal to AC squared will be 50 squared. Now, expanding this, so we're going to use the following algebraic identity. So remember that A plus B squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So here we're going to have R squared plus 2 times 20 times R will give us 40R plus 20 squared is giving us 400, and then plus the second expansion, so we have R squared plus, so here we have 2 times 30 times R giving us 60R plus we have 30 squared giving us 900, so this is equal to 50 squared, that is giving us 2500 or 2500. Okay, so now I think we're almost done because we're going to obtain a quadratic equation in terms of R, right? Okay. So from here, simplifying, so we have R squared plus R squared giving us 2R squared. Then plus. So here we have 40R plus 60R, and that is giving us 100R. Plus, so we have 400 plus 900, that is giving us 1300, so this is equal to 2500. Okay, so from here we're going to have 2R squared plus, so we have 100R, then 1300 minus 2500 is giving us negative 1200. So this is equal to 0. Now what we're going to do from here is to divide each time from both sides by 2. So from here we obtain R squared plus 50R, right? Then minus 60. Minus 600, I mean. So this is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, we're going to look for two numbers that their product is going to give us negative 600. And their sum is going to give us 50. So what do you think will be these two numbers? I'm thinking of negative 10 and positive 60, right? Okay, so we're going to write this as r squared. Then this is going to be plus 60r minus 10r, and then minus 600, this is equal to 0. So remember that the length is going to be positive, right? So we're expecting a positive r. Okay, so from here, so we factor out r from here. We factor out the common here, which is, I think, negative 10. So r into bracket, this is going to be r plus 60. Then minus 10 into bracket, this is going to be r plus 60. So this is equal to 0. So this is factorized as r plus 60, then multiplied by r minus 10. So this is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, this implies that either r plus 60 is equal to 0 or r minus 10 is equal to 0. So from here, r is equal to negative 60, but this is discarded. Or from here, we get r is equal to 10. So this is our solution for r. Then don't forget that the area of a right triangle or area of a triangle is equal to half times base times height, right? So here, our base is BC, right? And our height is AB. But AB is equal to 20 plus R. So therefore, we're going to have our height, H, equals 20 plus R. R is 10, so that is 10. So this is going to give us 30. And our base, B, is going to be equal to 30 plus R, which is 30 plus 10. So this is giving us 40. Therefore, the required area of triangle is going to be equal to half times the base. The base here is 40 times the height is 30. So this is going to give us, remember, this is going to be 20 times 30, which is going to give us 600 in units squared. So this right over here is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also like, comment, and share.